Alright guys, so I'm going to be attempting to add the fire driver. As you can see, it's the back over there. So I took out the driver, and let me just see what the voltage and everything was. So it does 48 volts, and the current is 18.1 amps out, and that's the maximum. Threshold is 39 plus 1 volts. So that was the fire driver that I was running this stuff with, but I mean not the fire driver, but the power driver. And now I got to disconnect a lot of different things here. I'm not going to be having my brake light working once I do this. I already know that, or the headlight. So all those connecting lights aren't going to work anymore. But I can order some, like, think it's like an accelerometer that can sense how fast I'm moving or how fast I'm stopping to kind of activate the brake light and all that stuff. And I have from the other scooter the plug that plugs in. This is the male connector that goes to the female battery. I'm not trying to change out the battery just yet, but with all that being said, once I do get a new battery in, then I'm gonna have to set that up. Either way, right now all I gotta do is use my cutter. I got wire snippers, as you see that red one over there, and these right here. So I gotta cut that back, and it's gonna be on this line that comes from the actual motor. So that the motor's over here, goes down to the zip tie here. I have to follow the wiring, but once I do that, which I'm pretty sure will be easy, I'm thinking that it's probably this one because it's really long. So what I'll do is find out what the wire is for the motor wire, and the motor wire is going to have the hall sensor wire and the phase wires, and then I'll start the next part. I'm going to have to stop right here. I just wanted to mention what I'm doing about this, and this is going to be, this right here, the motor, it should be 819 watts. So that's what can do 20 miles an hour. And I know for sure with this same battery setup and everything, it does do exactly that, because I went up to 20 miles an hour just yesterday, and I had a speed odometer from my phone to test out how fast I was going, and it did mention up to 20 volts, and that was on full throttle with the original throttle over here. And then so I'm trying to see if I can get it up faster, just like the other guy that was on YouTube that did his for the Caroma Peak 1, I believe is what he called it. So either way, I'm going to start doing all this and doing what he basically did for the most part. Thank you guys for watching if you did, and if you didn't, it's fine. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.